your engine air filter on a 2008 Scion XB is pretty simple. It's located underneath here. All you have is a clip right there. You're supposed to have another clip right here. Pop that one off, and it lifts up. Here is the old air filter. You take out the new air filter. Make sure they match up. Take it out the package. Lift this up again. Slide in the new air filter. Just slides right in. Make sure you line this up properly. Everything should line up real simple. You should see it all nice and tight. And the clip should literally just clip back on. And the second clip back on. And it's just like that. You could do these things yourself. It should take you no more than 2 minutes to do this. And that's it. Take the old one and toss it in the garbage can. Because you will be not using this anymore.